show startup config and show running config. So running config is stored in RAM. So if you want to look into the configuration that is stored in RAM, you will issue running -config. That will give you the whatever current configuration that is present in the RAM on the router. Whereas show startup config will show you whatever configuration that is stored in the NVRAM. I said we can copy from running config to startup config. When you have to save that configuration only in the startup config file, or you can even save with a different name on flash or boot flash. So to save configuration from RAM to NVRAM, you have to issue this command: copy running config startup config. So always it is from left to right, just like in Unix. In Unix, if you want to copy from one file to another file, cp source file, destination file. Similarly, copy running config, that is the source. The destination is startup file. So whatever configuration that presents in the running config will be stored into the startup config file. Or you can do write memory also. So it also works. The function of this command also saves the same purpose as copy running config and startup config, but for CCNA this write memory command will not work. So you always practice this copy running config startup config command to save the configurations from RAM to NVRAM.